Righto, Tellio there champs, hope you're all doing well. And I just want to know, is there actually a good Android watch? And you know me, Captain 2 watch, yeah. You know, some people say to me, why you got 2 watches? And I say, what bruh, you only got one? What's wrong with you? And then some other people say, hey, I subscribe to you because you got 2 watches. But anyway, I sort of use this watch here, the Apple Watch, as sort of like, you know, a communications device, sort of, you know, get my messages, my alerts, health and stuff like that. I actually wish they would just have a band rather than a watch. But anyway, I rock 2 watches. Do you? Let me know down there in the comments. But today I want to find out, is there actually a good Android watch? And I've got to say, this one does look good to start with. This is the HUAWEI Watch GT3. And you can see just by looking at the box, it looks like a big boy. And with a name like Watch GT3, that sort of conjures up images of, you know, Daytona or, you know, Rolex Daytona or something like that, something sporty. And I guess that's what they're going for here. Now you can get 2 sizes of this. This is a big watch. So when you're thinking 46 millimeters, I'm thinking IWC, Pilot Watch, something like that, or Breitling, Navitimer, something like that. That's the size of those watches, and that's the size of this. You can get a 43 mil. Sometimes you think the watch is just gratuitously big. Why? In this case, this is your interface, right? So the bigger the better. So let's crack her open, have a look. The key things about this is it's supposed to have 14 days battery life for a smartwatch. Apple, you're looking 1 day battery life if you're lucky. Yeah, that's not typical. Around 3-4 days is supposed to be typical. Of course, I'll put that to the test. Now this thing is great for exercising, tracking your day, notifications, you know, productivity, and it does measure your oxygen, and it's got a good heart rate sensor apparently. So let's have a look. Gonna get the anticipation of the unboxing. Ooh, that looks nice. Ooh, that looks classy, black and gold. That is nice. Nice tan leather strap there, I can see that. It's packed well, it looks classy, it really does. It looks, wow, woof. I'm really impressed with that. Do I take it out here? No. Probably open it like that, yep. Open it like that. Of course, here will be your cables. That just looks like your charging puck. We get your standard warranty and literature stuff, whatever that is. I've got to say, it's very classy, very well done. So let's take her out here. Ooh, look at that. That is nice. It's not as big as I thought it would be. I was thinking, you know, 46 mil. What do we have here? That's a 39 mil. Oh yeah, it's big. Look, 39 mil versus 46. Yeah, she's a big boy. Big sort of pilot watch. You can get the 43 mil. Yeah. Your preference, I guess. Guess that's up to you. Nice leather band. Is this leather? Feels like it is real leather. It's a very nice band. Yeah, that's nice. That's quality. That is quality. We have a crown here that can spin, yep, and you can depress it. And we have another button here. All your sensors on the bottom there, of course. It just looks nice. Looks really good. Let's put it on. Firing up right now. So I'll take off this. We'll put on this. Put this on. Like, I'm a big guy. I'm like 6'4", nearly 100 kilos. And that's even too big for me. So there you have it. I've got to install a HUAWEI app, of course. Download HUAWEI Health from the app gallery. Well, we'll see if it pairs on my other Android phone. But there's my unboxing of it. I've got to say, it does look like it's quality. Feels like it's quality. You know, nice stainless steel. A bit too big for my liking, but I will wear it for a week and I'll let you know how I go with this app. And maybe a thing is, can I actually use it on an iPhone? Do you reckon I can use it on an iPhone? I doubt it, but I will test it. HUAWEI Cloud. Okay, it's got to take me to the HUAWEI Cloud. Oh, there we go. HUAWEI Health on your iPhone. So I'm going to test this on iPhone and Android and see what the difference is. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Tally ho.